Hey, hey, what the money reside, what the money reside, what the money reside. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my last video. If you still haven't watched it, please make sure you do and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you how to make money online in 2021. These are actual tips that I used to make money in 2020. These are not stuff that I researched. These are real life tips on how you can make money, and these are the things that I did to make money in 2020. The first thing we're going to be discussing is writing. The second thing we're going to be discussing is social media management gigs. The third thing we're going to be discussing is online businesses. The fourth way I made money is investments. Fifth way is remote jobs. So in this video, we're going to be breaking down these 5 different ways of making money online, and we're going to go in depth. If you're interested in either one of them, please stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to be discussing about is writing. In 2020, I made a lot of money from writing for people, their CVs, essays, reports, and so on and so forth. I made up to 600k on writing alone in 2020. Yes, there are so many ways you can make money from writing. A lot of people think writing is so hard, but the beauty of writing in this century is that there are many ways to write, and writing has been made easy with so many tools like Grammarly, Hemingway, and so on and so forth. So how can you make money from writing? It's very easy. Depending on your target audience, you can make money writing in different avenues. If you're a student, you can make money writing your fellow students' assignments. If you're a working class, you can help people write their CVs, their resumes, their cover letters to apply for jobs. And if you're a professional writer or you're a bit strong in writing, you can try to go for those higher up writing deals like book writing, ebook writing. You don't have to go to freelancing websites before you can write for people. You can look around you to see ways to make money. Like I said, if you're a student, just look for students around you that need help writing their assignments, start charging little by little, and before you know it, you start getting referrals and you can start increasing your pricing, and you make so much money from that. The second way you can make money online is social media management gigs. I see a lot of people are always online, but you don't know that you can be making money while you're on those apps. In 2020 alone, I made close to 1 million naira just managing people's social media accounts. It wasn't my main job or anything. I was just doing it on the side. Managing people's social media accounts doesn't have to be big brands or big companies. It can be small companies, small brands. Maybe you have a local artist that is still uprising. You can help them manage their account at a small fee, 30k, 40k, 50k per month. By the time you have 3 or 4 or 5 accounts, you are making close to, let's say, 250k in a month just managing people's social media accounts without your main hustle. So these are some of the ways you can make money through social media management gigs. The beauty about it is many brands are now coming online. They want to, their businesses to be represented on the social media space. A lot of them don't know how to do it. They don't know what they're doing. You have the experience. You have worked on social media. And if you're thinking, oh, I don't have any social media experience, how do I start? Let me tell you, I got my first social media gig without any corporate experience. All I had was managing my personal account. I was able to craft my CV in a way that seemed attractive enough for me to get that job. So you don't need any experience to handle a social. Next, we're going to be talking about investment. I'm not much of an investment guru, but I can tell you that people are making a lot of money from investment, and I did make some money on investments. There are many apps where you can invest your money. Trove, Bamboo, these are apps where you can buy stocks and you can trade in dollars. And if you're not really someone who has lots of buying stock or forex knowledge, that's fine. You can use the simpler tools like RiceVest, which just lets you save your money in dollars, and as the naira appreciates, so does your money appreciate. If you are not much of a risk taker, you can go that route. If you are more of a risk taker, I would suggest you learn a little bit more about forex before dabbling in it, because you can lose a lot of money as well. But with time, as you learn more, you also make a lot of money. I know friends that made millions this year based on investment alone. So yeah, that's another avenue that you can reach out. I also made a little money in investment last year, but this year I hope to make a lot more money. So you can make money online this year is by doing online businesses. Many people are moving their businesses online due to the pandemic, and you don't need to have a capital to start an online business. I have a friend who works in HR, but she also sells hair on the side. Yeah, she sells weaves and stuff like this on the side. And how does she make money? She doesn't have to buy the hair. All you need to do is people pre-order from you and you get the hair from there. So you don't need any capital to start most of these online businesses. You just need to have a source where you get the your product from, and you get people to pay you in advance, and then when they pay you, you buy the product and you deliver it to them. It's that easy. Working. Gone are those days when you have to go into the office to look for jobs. Working remotely presents you a lot of opportunities. You can do many other things on the side at home with your free time, such as me recording this YouTube video. And if your work basically entails not being in the office, such as graphic designer, photographer, or any other creative work, you don't need to go into the office. You can start looking for remote work that enables you to work from home, preferably remote work that pays you in dollars. So there you have it. Those are the ways I made money in 2020. Those are the ways I'm also going to make money in 2021, and I hope you are going to join me on this journey of money making. And let's go to where the money resides. Where the money resides, where the money resides, where the money resides. Okay, let me tell you something. I'm doing some real big this month. Any deal that y'all got? Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the subscribe and like button and share this video. Also, tell me if this video was helpful in the comment section, and tell me what kind of video you'd like me to do next. Bye guys.